Christmas 2019. So on all the food, there's a ton of it. I mean, there's all kinds of crap here. I don't know what this is. Beans of some kind. Never seen rice at Christmas. That's something new. I'm just attacking the ham right now and some stuffing with gravy. I'm gonna get a video of the tree. Dun, 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 dun. Elves and shit. Family peoples. Hi, family peoples. Hi, Mom. And there's a Drew. Hi, the Drew. Sneva. Hi, Sneva. And there's Jeremy, Mr. Nobot. Hi, Jeremy.
Oh, no, sir.
Hi. And there's Nick, my goofy doofus brother, who's amazing for bringing me back to my house to save my camera.
Yeah, man, you can't take that.
Nope. And it's got some of the other strange peoples that are here for Christmas. Everybody stuffing their faces. Say oink oink, everybody. Oink oink. Defeating Trough.
Nolan, what are you doing? You gotta eat.
Nolan, eat your food.
And then sugar.
Turned out really good.
Oh, nice.
Hey, where's their plates?
I love beans.
Angel, where's their plates?
Huh?
Where's
Oh.
their plates of food?
We
Oh,
decided
they're
to
eating
start
this.
them
Okay.
tonight.
Alright. I'm gonna go back to eating. Merry Christmas and all that happy shit and happy holidays and blah blah blah.